15 best-selling Amazon hot deals in September 2025. Are you curious what are the best-selling items on Amazon in September 2025? Today, I will reveal 15 super hot deals, from smart home appliances, home workout equipment to utility accessories that everyone wants to own. All of them are on sale and are hunted everywhere. Don't miss out, because there's something you'll definitely wish you had known earlier. Cold press juicer. Amazon products you need if you love fresh juice every morning. This cold press juicer is a total game changer. It has a giant 5.5-inch chute, so you can toss in whole apples, oranges, even carrots, no chopping needed. We all know the struggle: messy prep, chunky juice, and way too much cleanup. But this fixes it up to 99% juice yield, super smooth, and it literally takes minutes to clean with its removable filter. Plus, it's quiet and powerful enough for daily use. Don't wait, this one's selling fast. Link in the description and comments below. Professional espresso maker with milk frother steam wand, Amazon products coffee lovers can't miss. This professional espresso maker with milk frother steam wand makes barista-level coffee right in your kitchen. Tired of watery, bitter coffee or wasting money at cafes every day? Same. This machine fixes it with a 20-bar pressure system for rich flavor, a steam wand for creamy foam, and PID temperature control so every shot comes out perfect. Plus, it's compact, easy to clean, and looks sleek on your counter. Don't wait, this deal won't last. Link in the description and comments below. Golf Rangefinder with slope. Amazon products golfers can't miss. This Golf Rangefinder with slope will level up your game big time. Ever second-guess your distance, overshoot the green, or misjudge slopes? Been there. This fixes it with 1,200-yard accuracy within half a yard, 6 easy modes including slope compensation and flag lock, plus a magnetic mount so it snaps right onto your cart or clubs. Rechargeable by USB-C to no more battery stress. Don't wait, seriously, this deal won't last. Links in the description and comments below. Ceiling fans with lights. Amazon home upgrade you don't want to miss. This ceiling fans with lights is a total game changer, lighting and cooling all in one sleek design. Tired of clunky fans that are loud and can't set the right mood? Same! This fixes it with stepless dimming from warm to cool light, 6 wind speeds, and a whisper-quiet reversible DC motor cool in summer, cozy in winter. Plus, it remembers your settings and even has a timer for when you fall asleep. Don't wait, it's on sale now. Link in the description and comments below. Air purifiers for home large room. Amazon must-have for pet parents, don't miss this one. This air purifiers for home large room is a total lifesaver if your house has pet hair, odors, or dust floating around. We've all been there: fur on the couch, funky smells, and allergies kicking in. Not fun! This fixes it with a 3-stage washable filter that traps pet dander, odors, and pollen, covers up to 2,200 SQFT an hour, and even runs whisper quiet at night. Bonus, it doubles as an essential oil diffuser. Don't wait, it's on sale now. Link in the description and comments below. Blender for smoothies. Amazon product you need if you love smoothies, don't skip this. This blender for smoothies crushes ice, fruit, and veggies in seconds, thanks to a pure copper motor spinning at 22,000 revolutions per minute. We've all had those chunky, half-blended shakes. Total disappointment. This fixes it with 6 razor-sharp stainless steel blades, 3 large 22 ounces to-go cups for the whole family, and it's super easy to clean. Just toss the cups and blades in the dishwasher. Smoothies, shakes, baby food, you name it. Don't wait, it's on sale right now. Link in the description and comments below. Comforter set Seersucker 7 pieces. Amazon products you need if you love cozy, stylish bedrooms. This comforter set Seersucker 7 pieces is seriously a game changer. Made with soft OEKO Tex certified microfiber, it feels like sleeping on a cloud all year round. We've all dealt with boring, wrinkly bedding that never looks good. Total mood killer, but this set? It's wrinkle-resistant, with a chic seersucker texture that adds instant elegance. Plus, the deep pocket-fitted sheet actually stays in place, no matter how much you toss and turn. Don't wait, it's selling fast! Links in the description and comments below. Superpower electric air duster. Amazon products you need if you're tired of canned air running out. This Superpower electric air duster blows dust away at up to 110,000 revolutions per minute, seriously powerful. We've all dealt with dusty keyboards, PCs, or car vents, and those tiny air cans that die after 2 uses. Total waste. but this fixes it. Rechargeable in just 3.5 hours, runs up to 240 minutes, and comes with 4 nozzles for everything laptops, cars, or home gadgets. Plus, it's super lightweight at under half a pound. Don't wait, grab yours today. Link in the description and comments. Hair dryer for curly hair with diffuser. Amazon products you need if you're tired of spending forever drying your hair. This hairdryer for curly hair with diffuser has a powerful 1,875 watts motor that dries your hair twice as fast. We've all been there, frizz, endless blow drying, and hair that still looks puffy. But this fixes it. Ionic Tech fights static and frizz. 3 attachments for every style: diffuser for curls, comb for thick hair, nozzle for sleek looks. Plus, 3 heat settings and cool shot for salon results at home. Don't wait, it's on sale now. Link in the description and comments. Juice extractor with extra large 3-inch feed chute. Amazon products you need if you love fresh juice at home. This juice extractor with extra large 3-inch feed chute is a total game changer. With a 1,300 watt copper motor and 3 speed modes, it crushes soft fruits, hard veggies, even beets in seconds. We've all wasted time chopping fruit into tiny pieces or ending up with foamy, watery juice, such a hassle. But this beast? Toss in whole fruits, get 75% more juice, 60% more vitamins, and way less foam thanks to the titanium filter. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Don't wait, it's on sale now. Link in the description and comments. Webcam with microphone. Amazon products you need if you work from home or take video calls. This webcam with microphone makes your calls look and sound crystal clear. Full HD 1080p video with a 5-layer lens, plus dual noise-reducing mics, so your voice comes through clean even if your room's noisy. We've all struggled with grainy video and bad audio during important meetings. Super frustrating. But this cam fixes it. Automatic low-light correction so you look good anywhere, wide-angle lens to fit more in frame, and it's plug-and-play easy. Don't wait, it's on sale now. Link in the description and comments below. Double Rods Clothes Rack. Amazon products you need if your closet is always overflowing. This Double Rods Clothes Rack gives you high and low rods for dresses, pants, and more plus side rods for bags, hats, and belts, and a bottom shelf for shoes or luggage. We've all run out of space or dealt with wobbly racks that collapse total headache. But this one holds up to 210 pounds, has sturdy steel, smooth screw-in setup, and 360 degrees wheels with locks, so you can roll it anywhere. Don't wait, it's on sale now. Link in the description and comments. Mini electric chainsaw cordless battery powered. Amazon products every homeowner needs. This mini electric chainsaw cordless battery powered is an absolute game changer. At just 3.3 pounds, it's super lightweight but still packs 880 watts of cutting power, slicing through 6-inch branches like butter. We've all struggled with bulky chainsaws, tangled cords, or paying someone way too much for trimming. But this has an auto oiler system, a long-lasting battery, and safety lock, so even beginners can handle it with confidence. Perfect for gardening, camping, or yard work. Don't wait, it's selling fast. Link in the description and comments. Quilt Set White Bedspreads. Amazon Home finds you need for a cozy upgrade. This Quilt Set White Bedspreads is soft, lightweight, and designed with ultrasonic pressing so it won't unravel even after tons of washes. We've all dealt with quilts that fall apart or feel way too heavy, right? Total frustration. But this one is durable, pet, and kid-friendly, perfect for summer nights or layered in the winter. Plus, the solid color matches any bedroom style instantly. Don't sleep on this deal, it's selling fast. Link in the description and comments below. Weighted Vest Men Women. Amazon Fitness find you don't want to miss. This weighted vest men women instantly levels up your workouts, running, hiking, or strength training with extra resistance that builds strength and endurance fast. Tired of boring workouts that feel too easy? This vest makes every move more challenging without slowing you down. It's lightweight, breathable, padded for comfort, and even comes with reflective straps for night runs, plus a pocket for your keys or phone. Don't wait, these sell out quick. Link in the description and comments below.